On this week's episode, 3-ingredient peanut butter cookies. You'll need 1 cup of peanut butter. Add 2/3 to 1 cup of sugar and 1 egg. Mix until a dough forms. Cover with cling film and refrigerate for 5 to 10 minutes. Roll mixture into balls. Place on a lined baking sheet and flatten the dough using a fork. I also added chocolate chips to some of the cookies. Bake in the preheated oven set to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes or until edges are firm. Cool in the baking tray briefly before placing on a wire rack to cool completely. And that's it. These delicious, quick and easy to make 3-ingredient peanut butter cookies are perfect for anyone new to baking. I really appreciate all your support. Thank you for watching. Love you all, and God bless.